Introducing Pureclean Multipurpose Cloths, the first and only cleaning towels with bulk and softness like cotton terry, combined with the hygienic cleaning power of enhanced looped and grooved microfiber. Reusable Pureclean is bright white, super absorbent, and lint-free, but it's also much more. With patented, no-lint, edge-to-edge pile, Pureclean towels have as much wiping surface as large terry towels, but without sewn hems that unravel and scratch. Independent laboratory tests prove Pureclean provides a level of hygienic cleaning unmatched by imported terry or microfiber towels. Even when used with simple water alone, Pureclean cloths remove 99.9% of pathogens dead or alive, including norovirus, listeria, E. coli, MRSA, and salmonella. And Pureclean is engineered with unique dual-surface technology, one for drying, cleaning, or washing, the other for scrubbing and polishing. Whether used in food service, healthcare, or around the home, bleach-free Pureclean cloths clean better and safer on any hard surface, wet or dry, including glass, tile, walls, counters, appliances, even clear-coat painted surfaces. Machine washable dozens of times for reuse, Pureclean doesn't shrink or thin out like conventional terry towels. Best of all, Pureclean multi-purpose cloths are manufactured, finished, and packaged 100% in the USA in EPA-registered facilities for unsurpassed consistency and quality. Now you have a better option for all kinds of wiping tasks. So don't just clean, Pureclean.